Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone today on this midweek? It's hump day, isn't it? Wednesday is hump day, apparently. I never really get it because I normally have a lovely Wednesday because I get to sing lots in the morning. And normally I'd have my lovely grandson in the afternoon, but he's actually going to a school disco tonight, an end of term disco. So that's going to be fun for him. I'm watching warily because I've literally just thrown the cat out. I was just about to press the go live button and lovely Star Cat came in and bit me. I'm sure it's the affection. I'm sure it's affection. But yeah, she literally walked in the room, bit me and then wandered off. So I've just kind of shut the door. But it was literally just as I was about to go live. So I thought I'd hop on. I have chatted a couple of times this month about the flipping fantastic join offer we've got with Scentsy at the moment. I am so excited about this join offer. I can't even speak, that I just wanted to hop on and tell you about it because literally we have a day and a half. This particular offer ends at the end of this month. So that is by tomorrow night. It's gone and over. So I'll tell you what you get and then I'll talk about why I think Scentsy is flipping amazing. So this join offer, it's £30 plus postage. You get one of our gorgeous mini warmers. Now you actually get this one. Why are you blushing? It is absolutely super cute. Look at that. It looks so pretty. I sometimes have this one in my kitchen. I swap warmers around all the while, but this one looks gorgeous in my kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. Why are you blushing? So you get that lovely mini warmer. You get a bar of wax, which I've put down somewhere and I can't see it. Oh, there it is. You get a bar of wax, black raspberry vanilla, absolutely gorgeous. This is actually one of my bars. It's already used because I love this fragrance. So you get a bar of black raspberry vanilla, hugely popular that one is. You get 25 little tester pots so you can share with your friends all the amazing Scentsy fragrances. Flipping gorgeous that is. You get some little testers, so you get some little sachets of testers, so you get to try different things, so laundry products, body products, all different things like that. And you get some catalogues as well. So again, you can share with your friends all the amazing Scentsy goodies that we have. That's the kit. So that's what you actually get for your money. But you also get to be part of our amazing team. We have got, it just brings me so much joy. It brings me so much joy having our incredible team. We've got a team page. We share all our different ideas. We motivate each other, share inspiration, generally have a little chat and just there to help each other should anybody need it. Sharing, as I say, sharing different ideas. And it's just joyful. The joy I get when I see our team doing so well and smashing their goals is just incredible. When Sapphire and I started doing this, nearly 3 years ago now, when we started it, we were just like, this will just be a bit of fun. We'll do it together. We'll just, sell the odd little bit and see what happens, really. We hadn't thought about having a team and having other consultants with us. It wasn't sort of part of our idea. We were just going to do it just for fun. And then we had a few people join us and suddenly we not only did we see the opportunity in the business, we also saw the joy of sharing the opportunity and all encouraging each other together and being one big family. And we've also got above us the most amazing support team as well. So if you'd ever thought about having your own business, particularly your own smelly business and being part of Scentsy, if you would like to know more, then just message myself or of course Sapphire. We would love to chat to you. This particular offer ends at the end of this month. There will be other offers in the future, but I don't know when. It could be a long while before we get any more offers like this. But if you would like to know more, just message me. I will put a link under this live so you can have a little look at what you get. But as I say, the kit is incredible, but being part of this business is even more incredible. So it's been lovely to chat. I'm going to go and get on with sharing some Scentsy goodies with my team, actually. So So I will talk to you all very, very soon. Take care, guys. Mwah. Loads of love. Bye.